Most people get this wrong when comparing Chime and Dave. They think both apps do the exact same thing because they help people manage money between paychecks. But once you look closer, they solve very different problems. Here's the truth no one tells you. The better app isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that matches how you actually handle your money. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between Chime and Dave in 2026, including banking features, cash advance options, fees, budgeting tools, and which app may be the better fit for you. Let's get straight into it. Chime is primarily a financial technology platform focused on everyday banking features. Many users choose it for spending accounts, direct deposit features, credit building tools, and services like SpotMe for eligible members. Dave, on the other hand, is known for helping users manage short-term cash flow gaps. Many people use Dave because of its cash advance features and budgeting-focused tools. For example, let's say John wants a simple place to receive his paycheck, pay bills, and manage daily spending. And may be a strong choice because it offers a broader banking-style experience. Now imagine Alex. Alex already has a bank account but occasionally needs help bridging the gap before payday. He may find Dave's features more aligned with his needs. But here's the problem. Many users compare only the cash advance feature and ignore everything else. This is where most people fail. The app you use every day should be evaluated based on your overall financial habits, not just one feature you might use once in a while. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest differences is the primary focus of each platform. Chime is built around managing money, receiving deposits, and handling everyday transactions. Dave is more focused on helping users navigate temporary cash shortages while offering tools designed to improve budgeting awareness. That's a small distinction, but it can make a huge difference in daily use. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between them. First, let's talk about fees and costs. Features, memberships, and expedited transfers can vary depending on the service being used. That's why it's important to review the latest terms before signing up and not assume every feature works exactly the same way across both platforms. Now here's the simplest decision framework. Choose Chime if your primary goal is everyday banking, direct deposits, spending management, and a streamlined financial experience. Choose Dave if your primary concern is managing short-term cash flow challenges and accessing tools designed around that need. The bottom line is simple. Chime is often the stronger choice for users seeking a banking-focused platform. Dave may be more appealing for users who primarily want paycheck gap support and budgeting assistance. The right choice depends on what problem you're trying to solve. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments which app you're considering and why.